Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here, we've got a preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. Under it we've got the gallery, which is basically your own gallery, so you will be able to pick your own photo and set as a wallpaper. We've got also lock screen wallpaper services, and if you will have the internet connection and also the Galaxy account, you will be able to enter the Explore More Wallpapers, and here you will have much more options to choose from. What's more, we've got the option Apply Dark Mode to the wallpaper, and this option is currently applied. It simply means that if you will have the dark mode, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. And here we've got the color palette. I will not explain it right now because this device will, let's say, defaultly and automatically will open this option after changing the wallpaper, so then I will explain it. So let me pick the wallpaper from My Wallpapers, and as you can see right here we've got some sections. So we've got the lock screen only, and this is the animated wallpaper which we've got currently set on the lock screen, and under it we've got the options which we can apply to the lock screen and home screen, and here we've got some static ones. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, just tap on it, and as you can see, before we will be able to see it, we have to decide where we want to set it. So we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick only home screen because I want to keep this animated one. And as you can see here, we've got the preview. We can check how it will look like with all the apps which we've got on the home screen. So if you are ready, just tap on Set on Home Screen. And as I said, here our device will automatically open the color palette. So here we've got 4 different options to choose. The colors are based on the wallpaper. Of course, we can keep the default one. That's this option here, but as you can see, we've got some other options here, and they're quite cool, and I believe I will stick with this one. So here you've got also the option to apply the palette to app icons. If you want to, you can keep it turned on. I think I will turn it on, why not? And if you are ready, just tap on Apply. As you can see, the wallpaper and color palette has been applied successfully, so we can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately applied. What's more, the color of the apps also has been changed. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.